And here we have the old oscilloscope, Owon DS7102V, 100 megahertz, 1 gigasamples, 10 megasamples, 2 times 10 megasamples memory. So I hope you can see this. So these encoders are not very good quality. These still work okay. This one is jumping a little bit. This one completely broken. It's supposed to move here. So can center it and maybe make it jump around a little bit, but yeah, not great. This one I already replaced. This one I also replaced, trigger and menu. So this is the most critical. I really need to get this fixed because it's really annoying when you can't scroll. It really doesn't help much to have really big memory, but then you can't really zoom into the memory. You can't scroll around the memory when you want to capture something. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna replace all 3 here. So these are okay. I think they're different encoder types. They have like indents, so perhaps better quality, I don't know, but I haven't had any problems with those yet. So need to get these 3 replaced. So it's a little bit of a problem because, well, it's not a problem, but it's a lot of work because basically you need to take everything apart just to get into, there's a small PCB behind here with a keyboard and the encoders, and we need to get everything out to get to this PCB. Then we need to solder in some new encoders. So, well, let's get to it. Okay, so all we need to take this thing apart is some screwdrivers and credit card sized, and that is about it. So I'm just going to speed things up a little bit here because it takes a while and it's not terribly exciting to watch me unscrew all these things. Okay. So I'm a little bit funny grounding here because I'm shielding using the ground plane here. Slightly unconventional. Going to the, yeah, this is basically the whole thing. Scope, input, processing, everything. And that's enough screws. So we just need to get all the knobs off so we can get the PCB out. Easy. So yeah, pretty much everything had to come out to get this board out. So it's quite easy to see I've replaced these two here before because, well, they look very different. So one problem I had is the new encoders I have, they're slightly taller. Not just the axle, but the actual encoder. So I had to cut out here in the rubber mat for the keyboard. But it's not really a problem. It just takes a little bit of cutting and it fits nicely in there. It's quite easy to see here. Don't know if you can see that. So these are the new encoders I soldered in last time, and these are the old ones. So we need to get these three out and replace them with something like this. So let me just try to see if I can find, I hope I have three, I think I have three. Found a bag here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's certainly enough. So the tricky part is going to be desoldering these because, well, of course it's lead free, and this is basically one big ground plane, and the same on the other side. So it's going to take a little bit of heat to get this solder off. So I think this is probably lead free, or it's guaranteed to be lead free. So what I want to do first is just melt it and mix it with some leaded solder, and then I'm going to try to see if I can get it off. So you have to remove this thing as well. I think these are going to cost me. Okay, all the encoders are out. They're pretty tough because of the ground plane and everything. So time to get the new ones in. and we're back together again. Let's try power it up if I can find some power. Here we go. Yes, I can finally move this one again reliably. Okay, just need to get some buttons on here and that's it. It's done. So we just need to get our knobs back on here. So yeah, the old knobs are of course not going to fit because they are based on a star axle here. So yeah, that's not gonna work. But these are still okay. So I have these knobs here. Collection of various knobs. Let's see if I can find them. Well, it looks like I have just enough. Okay. And there we have it. One fully functional scope, fully back in working order. Yeah, everything works. So I hope this was helpful, or if you enjoyed this, and I hope you're gonna have a nice day. Thank you for watching.